So you have decided to cheat her, no problem, because in this video I'm gonna tell you that how you can generate fake WhatsApp screenshots of the conversation of WhatsApp chat. And for that purpose you have to go to Google and go to the search bar and write here fakedetail.com and hit the search button. And when this website appears up, you have to scroll down here, scroll up. And after that you have to tap on this hamburger icon available at the top right corner of the screen. And after that you have to head to the social media option available here, and here under WhatsApp you get the option WhatsApp chat. You can also see the other features of this website. You can generate the fake conversation or fake screenshots of Facebook chat, Facebook posts, Instagram profile, Instagram chat, and Twitter, TikTok, or any fake screenshots you want. But in this video we are gonna continue with WhatsApp chat. So tap on it, and after that when this interface appears up, you can adjust all the settings here. This is the live preview of your screenshot which you can adjust and manage. For example, at this place of 5G network we want 4G. This is it. We want to replace the battery percentage from 50 to 68. And here you can see the live preview, the battery has been changed to 68%. And if you want to adjust the time on your phone, you can also do so from here. For example, I want it 11:05 a.m. And you can also adjust whether you want Android layout or iPhone. For example, if I go with iPhone, the layout has been completely changed to an iPhone screen. But let's go with Android, for example. You can adjust each and everything you want from here in these options. And after adjusting the screen preview, let's adjust the name of the person by tapping on this pencil icon available next to the name of the person. For example, let's write the name here, Sandra. And let's adjust the date of the conversation. For example, it is 2025. And after that, you can adjust the first message. It is written hi. Let's change it to hello. You can also adjust this message to disappearing, and you can also adjust the timing of the message from here. For example, it is 10:42 a.m. You can change its status, whether it's read or sent or delivered. For example, I'm going with read and tap the send button. You can see that the message has been changed to hello. You can also adjust the receiving messages also, and now if you want to add a new message, tap on this add message button and type a new message. How's your day going? Now you can again adjust the timing of the message, its delivery status, and you can adjust whether it's from sender side or receiver. For example, let's keep it to sender and send this message, and a new message has been added. And you can pay all the attention to detail, adjust the flow, adjust the messages that you want, and after doing all the work, simply tap on this download WhatsApp chat as image. And after that it will be saved to your gallery like this one here, and let's press the save button. Here you can see that a fake screenshot of a WhatsApp conversation in Android phone has been downloaded. Now if you want me to do all this work for you accurately and perfectly, professionally, you can always contact me on my Instagram account at this handle. This is going to be a paid task, so do not contact me if you're not ready to pay. But the satisfactory work is guaranteed, so I'll be waiting for you on my Instagram account. And if you have any of the questions regarding the website, you can always ask me in the comments. So see you on my Instagram account. Thank you so much.